making opportunities para sa kanyang mga kakampi. Gamboa for 2.
A good pass by Danny Ildefonso that time. Nakikita niya hindi lang yung laki ni Danny Ildefonso, yung pagiging paglaro niya sa post, pero nakaka-create na siya ng mga situations ngayon para sa teammates niya.
At para sa Coca-Cola Tigers naman, they will retain possession. 9 seconds left sa kanilang shot clock. And starting off for them at point guard. Of course, dyan si Johnny Abarientos. And, well, actually, usual suspects are the starters of Coca-Cola Tigers, maybe with the exception of Reynel Hugnatan. We're starting up at center, and usually nakikita natin dyan in that position would be somebody like Pochuino.
Usually si Pochuino yung ginagamit nila. But etong Coca-Cola Tigers coming from the finals nga series against Token Tech, this is their first game after that heartbreaking loss at Token Tech.
Long bomb mula kay Olsen Rosella with 10 minutes and 24 remaining sa first quarter. Time brought to you by Timex, the official timer of the 2003 PBA Games, welcoming the 3 newest members of the Timex family, Piolo Pascual, Claudine Barreto, and Mark Nelson. Check out the nearest Timex outlet for the 2003 Timex Watch Collection. 3-point lead na hawak-hawak ngayon ng San Miguel Beermen with a little more than 10 minutes remaining dito sa first quarter.
Balita pa natin dito sa San Miguel, they didn't really had this big break after nung pagkatapos nila ma-eliminate dun sa first conference. Tuloy-tuloy na
Tuloy
nag-ensayan.
practice na ng practice. Well, makikita natin dito if all that practice has worked for them as Hugnatan in heavy traffic. 1 against 2. 1-point ball game na lang ito. Handoff mula si Gamboa and Velasco in and out.
Velasco through the years, yung tira niya from the outside is really getting to be accurate. Pati kahit hindi pumasok yung last shot niya, kita mo yung line talagang diretso. Unlike before when he was starting, I remember he has the PBA, hindi pa talaga ganun kaganda yung shooting ni Velasco.
A lot has changed dito sa laro ni Nick Velasco, and he has proven to be one of the biggest assets para sa Beermen through the years. Losing the handle on Tiveros. 6 seconds left on the Beerman shot clock. Pinilit! And that is instant 2 from Donon Ontiveros.
But that's different naman, Don Ontiveros. Since the start, I saw this guy play. Napakaganda talaga ng shooting nitong batang to.
Carriazo on the outside. Hugnatan. The floater. And still, Coca-Cola Tigers still shaking off the rust. At base nga naman kay birthday boy, Coach Jot Reyes, nang nakausap natin sa pregame, well, he didn't really expect the Coca-Cola Tigers, sabi nga niya in his own words, to be 100% today.
Pero siyempre kahit pa paano yung mga players niya, merong parang obligation, not really obligation, they want to give this as a gift to their coach Jot Reyes. At a birthday gift, di ba? Ayaw mo umuwi, I mean, it's your birthday, tapos umuwi ka ng talo.
Natural.
Mahirap yun.
And another outside bomb. 2 3-pointers para kay Olsen Rosella. Rosella coming from a 13-point performance sa huling laro nila against the Cebuano Lulier RP team dito sa Samsung PBA Invitationals. Spin move of Hatfield in heavy traffic. Labas kay Abarientos. Abarientos still cannot hit the mark. Last touch ni Reynel Hugnatan, possession pa rin ng Beermen. 22 seconds left on their shot clock. 7 minutes and 57 sa first quarter.
Mukhang yung kondisyon ng San Miguel talaga. Alam natin na wala na yung rust na nagkaroon ng break, na natanggal sila from the first conference. Kita natin talaga yung development nila eh.
Pull-up jumper. Abarientos finally. Correct na ang adjustments.
Pero tingin ko yung pagpag ng Coca-Cola, mga isang quarter lang yan. Second quarter, andyan na Coca-Cola. At gaganda na to, all the way yan.
The same Coca-Cola Tigers na nakita natin sa finals kaya?
Sa finals, tignan natin.
12-point lead para sa San Miguel Beermen as we approach the halfway mark of the first quarter. Rivas on the outside, Abarientos. Hinarap ni Rosella, losing it. 2 against 1 for the loose ball. Napunta sa San Miguel. Rosella has 2 options. Goes left and then Velasco for the finish.
Good pass by Daniel Ildefonso coming from a pass also from Olsen Rosella. Na yung tagal ng samahan ng San Miguel, talagang nakikita mo, they don't have to look at each other, they know where to pass the ball, and their teammates are right there.
Well, Coach Vic, talking about frustration, itong San Miguel Beermen, after stopping yung kanilang grupo sa eliminations, well, this is a team that we expected na aabot sa magandang record sa kanilang grupo in the All-Filipino Cup. But after losing in the quarterfinals, napakaaga pa para mawala sila in that tournament. So I think they want to come back in a big way.
About it, sigurado all those players are telling each other that we have to go back. Yung frustrations nga nakita, they lost some crucial games nung quarterfinals natin eh. And mga crucial na talo na, 1.3 points eh. That's why not only them, also Red Bull, sayang yun. Both teams were top dun sa kanilang grupo, dun sa elimination.
Sa pa yun, looking for a little revenge dito sa Invitationals ang batang Red Bull. Unang palitan sa ating laro, in comes Ato Morano to replace Johnny Abarientos. Nandiyan na rin si Pochuino. So a rather tall lineup ang ipapasok ni Coach Chot Reyes ngayon. But an equally tall lineup rin dito sa panig ng San Miguel Beermen with Benji Paras also in the lineup now.
Very big addition for the San Miguel Beermen, si Benji Paras. Kahit sinasabi na nila na Benji Paras nag-retire na and everything, he's still Benji Paras and he can still control the paint definitely.
Tama ka doon, Coach Vic. And now at the post-up, crossing fake, takes the shot and one!
Isa pa yun, Daniel Defonso. When he was starting also, just taking the low post, you could see here, he made the fake against Rudy Hatfield. It made confidence sa tumira from the outside.
Book position to take the jumper, pero 2 points pa rin yan, and nobody's going to complain. Definitely not Coach Jong Wichico. 3-point conversion now for Danny I, and a 9-point lead for the Beermen, or make that a 10-point lead, 17-7, with 6 minutes and 10 remaining in the first quarter. Bugnatan from the post-up, labas kay Hatfield. Hatfield rings the bell. Velasco at the half line. That lahat pala na nagsimula para sa San Miguel Beermen dito pala sa first quarter have already scored. Nasabi mo, nabanggit mo kanina, Coach Vic, about San Miguel playing like a well-oiled machine. Kilala nila so far dito sa first quarter.
Yeah, we could see Coca-Cola shooting only 4 out of 10, while San Miguel shooting 7 out of 10. Even sa assist, lamang ang San Miguel, who made 5 assists against 2 for Coca-Cola.
So obviously, ang San Miguel Beermen, all those months of preparation paying off here. Actually, nag-pay off na nga yan in their first game dito sa Invitationals, winning against the RP team. Pero sa panig ng Coca-Cola Tigers, never to be underestimated, Jeffrey Carriazo for 2.
Ang maganda dito sa Coca-Cola, yung freelance offense nila. Kahit anong mangyari, pag grina nila yung offense nila, somebody will score.
Boybits Victoria in the ballgame for the first time. Benji Paras from the high post, Daniel Defonso. Will Defonso bump and grind, laban kay Ribes. There's the fake, there's the lean.
That's the move by DI, Daniel Defonso.
Slash, labas. Ontiveros, corner pocket. It's good.
Mukhang kondisyon nga San Miguel. I think they have a very high field goal percentage in this quarter. Actually, in this ball game, ito pa lang with 4 minutes, 6 seconds remaining in the second quarter. 22 points na ni-score ng San Miguel.
Well, ilang koponan dito sa PBA makakapagsabi na nakapag-double-digit lead na sila over the Coca-Cola Tigers in the first quarter. And that's exactly what the Beermen are doing here. Boybits Victoria, first personal foul laban sa kanya. And Rob Wainwright now checking in para sa Coca-Cola Tigers.
Nasabi ko pa, second quarter, nagmamadali ako. It's only the first quarter, 22-11. 3 minutes, 56 seconds remaining. Nabubulol na ako.
10 seconds left the shot clock ng Coca-Cola. The leaner from Wino pinilit, but it will pay off a foul from Benji Paras. And Benji Paras called with his second personal foul, si Pochuino ang susubok ngayon sa linya. And Pochuino, one of the few big guys dito sa PBA who have a really, really nice shooting touch. Sabi ko na nga ba, majijinx ko Coach.
Always yun, Vito. Once you say something, a very good thing, dun sa free throw na yun, madalas nagmimintis.
Ayoko na, Coach. Ayoko na.
sabihin na lang natin a very good touch from the 3-point area.
Ayan na, okay.
Diba? So pumasok yun.
Splitting his charities, cutting the lead to 10. San Miguel Beer up 22-12. At maaga pa lang sa first quarter, pressing defense from the Tigers, nawala ni Paras.
Sayang yun, a very good pass sana from Danny Ildefonso. Medyo sa start pa lang, di pa nagiinit si Benji Paras eh. Nakita ko kanina yan before the game, talagang nagsistretch. Seryoso si Benji Paras.
Benji Paras coming off his best performance so far as a San Miguel Beerman. Yung muling laro nila with 10 points and 5 rebounds against the RPC. Remains to be seen kung ano magagawa niya dito. But Rob Wainwright showing you how to shoot the ball.
Also has a very good touch from the outside.
Oo, pwede mag-conduct ng shooting clinic yata. Si Rob Wainwright. Just an 8-point lead for the San Miguel Beermen. 3 minutes and 10 left in the first quarter. Turnover.
At medyo hindi nagustuhan ni Coach Jong Yuchiko yung nangyari na yun. At tumayo ka agad siya telling his boys na, what's happening guys?
And it will be Morano as court director para sa Tigers. Quino on the outside. Comfort zone rin ni Quino yan. Morano looking to go down low, and it will be Rivas against Danny I. Rivas in his face.
Rafi Rivas feels that kaya niya sa ilalim din to si Danny Ildefonso, and he has now 4 points in his credit.
Coca-Cola Tigers patuloy ang kanilang press. Victoria gets it to Velasco, and now Paras cross court. Contiveros all alone. For the defensive rebound, Pochuino and Morano finding Hatfield. Hatfield hindi na nagsayang ng oras. And from center court, Boybits Victoria will set this one up for the Beermen. It's Danny I on the outside. And the Beermen still keeping their options open on the outside, but on the inside, ang namamahala po ay nagngangalang Danny Ildefonso.
Yun yung classic move na Danny Ildefonso. Tuwang-tuwa ako pag napapanood ko somebody that tall before he was leaner eh, di ba? Medyo pag gumalaw na ganun si DI before, talagang bread and butter play ni Coach Jong Yuchiko before. Low post kay Danny ay pag dumobol, kick out sa mga shooters niya. And he developed that play through the years nga na napaganda talaga yung ginagawa ni DI dito.
May kombinasyon ng height, power, meron pa speed dyan to the mix.
Kanina, I was looking Ildefonso po ang gustong bumawi dito sa conference nito.
Falling short mula sa labas is Will Antonio. And Gahol pulling. Paras takes it himself.
Classic Benji Paras going to take it from the high post. Walang kumuha, turn around, jump shot, set shot actually.
Bakit hindi? Di ba? Kung wala naman nasa harapan niya. And Pochuino with the turnaround loses it. No foul, no tap out. And the forward pass. Paras, there's the fake. The reverse. Wala.
Sayang.
At ang ko naman Morano. Going to Quino. Now Antonio. Hinarap ni Victoria. 12 seconds left on their shot clock. Wainwright checking his options. And it will be Rafi Rivas going all the way, drawing the foul.
He got the first step from Benji Paras. Naiwan doon si Benji. So pag fake na ng left, pumasok siya ng right, naiwan na si Benji.
And Benji Paras, 3 personal fouls already in the first quarter.
Napakaaga nun, and it's going to tell sa medyo bandang huli dahil maraming big man tong Coca-Cola.
Well, cause for concern para kay Coach Jong Yuchiko, pero mula sa anggulan natin dito sa Cuneta Astrodome, it doesn't look like, I don't see any San Miguel Beermen na magpapasab. So, looks like tatapusin ni Benji Paras itong first quarter natin.
Pero no naman si Benji talaga na foul prone eh, di ba? Even when he was starting tsaka to latter years, talagang pagpasok ng mga fourth quarter, minsan 5 fouls na kagad si Benji eh.
At saka po na naman ng Coca-Cola Tigers. Hatfield is back in. Nandiyan na rin si Leo Avenido. Less than a minute to go in the first. And Coca-Cola, pinahirapan ang inbound ng San Miguel Beer, but they will break the press with Racela on the run. Racela, pull up two. Yes!
Naiwan doon yung press ng Coca-Cola eh. They have a two-man guard right now, Olsen Racela and Boy Bits Victoria. So pag swing ni Boy Bits kay Olsen, naiwan na kagad sila.
From the corner, driving the baseline, Hatfield with a kick out. Wainwright. Spot is no good.
Good kick out for Wainwright. He got a shot, he was open, but wala, hindi pumasok yung tira niya.
Kabilang dako naman, it will be Ingrid Poncho. Face in the court, off the glass, off the mark. And the forward pass, just a little too forward para kay Rafi Rivas.
Sayang, konti na lang. Halos nandun na nakuha ni Rafi Rivas yung bola na yun.
So last 17.8 seconds ang matitira for one last play para sa San Miguel Beermen. That is if they can break etong Coca-Cola full court press. And if they can hold on to the ball for the next 8 seconds. Victoria off the screen. Off to Racela, and Victoria for the beater. The Invitationals and over NBN and IBC. Ako po si Tito Lazatina alongside Coach Vicky Cachano.
Pero maganda yung shooting ng ng San Miguel no first quarter. They were shooting 52% from the field. At Coca-Cola not that bad, 41%. Kaya lang they attempted less. Yun yung sinasabi ng usually ng coaches eh. You have to take shots, no? We cannot just win ball games with just diba, ang ganda ng shooting percentage nyo, pero you're down, you only scored 18 points. Ang problema doon, you don't really take shots.
Well, naninibago nga naman ang Coca-Cola Tigers dito sa Samsung PBA Invitationals playing their first game of this conference. Pero yung mga ganyan, yung rust factor, yung we're coming off a break, forgivable na lang yan maybe until the first half. The second half, wala na.
Saka ano yan eh, it's all mental, sabi nga nila eh. When you go to the game, kailangan yung toughness, mental toughness mo nandun eh. If you're there, you're out there to play.
San Miguel now up by 13. Leo Avenido. A short lob pass para kay Rivas, and they clear the way. Rafi Rivas in rush hour. There's a foul.
Ganda ng ikot ni Rivas. Naipit na dun si Arnold Gamboa, and it was called for a foul. Or it was Gahol. Was called for the foul.
Oh, Brian Gahol picking up his first personal. And Rafi Rivas will troop to the line for two. And Rafi Rivas, what a conference para sa kanya, the All-Filipino Cup Conference. 18 double-double games for Rafi Rivas. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, that places him at second when it comes to most double-doubles, and coming in at first, well, it should be no surprise. Asi Taulava took that distinction.
And it's a very big achievement for Rafi Rivas. Di lang yun eh, it gives a moral boosting sa mga teammates mo to play harder.
Oo. And Rivas with one more on the way. Hatfield balik sa aksyon for Coach Jot Reyes. And he cuts the lead to 12. And still working hard on that pressing defense itong Coca-Cola Tigers.
Defense na mahirap din eh, coming from, sabi nga nila, di ba? Coming from a four-day practice lang sila eh.
Tama.
Kaya nila i-sustain to the whole game. That's a big question here.
19 seconds left, the shot clock ng Coca-Cola Tigers, still their possession. And Boybits Victoria picking up his second personal foul, making his first appearance para sa Beermen is Joey Mente. Avenido at center court, Carriazo looking to go inside, it's Sueño. And there's the interception. Racela, 3-on-1 behind the back pass, pero bago pa mangyari yan, there will be a foul.
And I think San Miguel is asking for an advantage foul kasi when final ni Jeffrey Carriazo si Olsen Racela, there were two Beerman who was ahead. Tawagan nga na advantage foul, pero definitely mukhang hindi binigay ng... You could see here in the replay that there, andun na si Joey Mente at andyan pa si Brian Gahol nung final siya ni Jeffrey Carriazo.
Not an advantage foul, which means sideline throw-in lang yan para sa Beermen, but the fresh 24-second shot clock para sa kanila. However, it will be wasted.
At natawagan doon ng traveling violation si Nick Velasco.
9 minutes and 37 remaining dito sa first half. Coca-Cola still staring at a double-digit lead. And getting that ball to the open man, mabilisan ang pasahan ng Coca-Cola Tigers. A little too fast for the San Miguel Beermen defense. Foul. Si Gamboa sa kanya, and Gamboa will pay the price. 2 more free shots for Rafi Rivas.
Kinaganda pa dito kay Rafi Rivas. Nakita natin sa replay. Yung laki niya na yun, nakakabomba pa siya sa ere. No? Usually, small guys ang gumagawa.
And Rivas missing his first. Second time's a charm again para kay Rivas. 31-20 sa ating talaan with 9 minutes and 25 left in the second quarter.
And there's the press by Coca-Cola.
Avenido giving Olsen Rosella some problems. And speaking of problems, that is a problem. There's a turnover, and Rudy Hatfield taking the opportunity to score 2. However, ngayon naman sa kabilang dako, all alone, uncontested sa ibaba ng ring. Diyan si Nick Velasco.
A very good press break by the San Miguel Beermen, upping the lead of the Beermen to 11 with 8 minutes 50 seconds remaining here in the first half.
Pull up 2, missing everything for Jeffrey Carriazo. Forward pass na naman para sa Beermen, but this time, too hot to handle para kay Brian Gahol. Only a matter of time bago natin makikita uli si Johnny Abarientos, and the Flying A is in fact back sa lineup ni Coach Jot Reyes.
Paano niya dali ng Coca-Cola talaga eh.
Through the years, Johnny Abarientos pa rin ang true leader nitong squad na to, and Leo Avenido making them pay mula sa labas.
And yun, nag-shift bigla si Leo Avenido. Siyempre nagbago, dumating si Johnny Abarientos, naging number 2 siya. Kanina medyo nahihirapan siya, he was playing the number 1 position, the point guard for Coca-Cola eh.
Mas natural na posisyon ni Leo Avenido yan, yung 2 spot, and on the other end. But speaking of being comfortable, si Nick Velasco, isa rin yan sa pagiging komportable from taking it from the 3-ball area.
A number 4 guy naman taking the shot. The 3-point area.
Carriazo. And Gamboa taking it for himself, owning the rebound. Beermen on the run, Rosella. Nanahi sa depensa, the floater. And now it will be Abarientos. Carriazo off to Hatfield. Hatfield squares up for 3. Still nothing.
Good boxing out by Arnold Gamboa against Pochuino there. Talagang he was caught. Wala, naka-steady lang dun bigla si Pochuino. Di na gumalaw.
Off the fingers ni Arnold Gamboa. And it is back to the Coca-Cola Tigers. And Dondon Ontiveros back in the lineup na rin para sa Beermen. Seven minutes and 22 left now in the second quarter. And still an 11-point lead para sa San Miguel Beermen. Coca-Cola Tigers looking for that breakthrough run. And it's off to Avenido. Avenido. Tough inside pass para kay Rudy Hatfield. At sa kabila naman, it's Pochuino against Boybits Victoria. Balik tayo ngayon sa Cuneta Astrodome para sa pagpapatuloy ng ating second quarter. First of our doubleheader on this PBA Friday. And it is the San Miguel Beermen up by 9 and make that 7 thanks to Rob Wainwright banking in 2.
At dalawang magkasunod na yon, hindi maibaba ng San Miguel Beermen ang bola.
At eto, medyo pinahirapan pa nga si Dondon Ontiveros sa pagbaba ng bola, but it is now on the Beermen side. 3-point field goal so far.
Yeah, Coca-Cola shooting only 1 out of 4 with San Miguel shooting a high of 4 out of 7.
At madaming makikredit dyan for the 3-pointers as we saw Nick Velasco get away for 2. Nick Velasco also one of those players who scored 3 earlier. 11 points for number 3. There's the fake boy, Victoria. And off to Hontiveros. Hontiveros, 12 seconds on the shot clock. And Hontiveros looking for that touch. looking to start yung kanyang shooting streak pero wala pa rin.
Kanina nung pumasok yung tira ni Dondon, yung unang 3 points, akala ko magtutuloy-tuloy eh. Ngayon medyo inaalat na naman si Dondon Hontiveros.
Less than 6 minutes to go now in the second quarter. And a turnover. Less than 5 minutes to go, 4 minutes and 52 to be exact. Time brought to you by Timex, the official timer of the 2003 PBA Games. Check out the nearest Timex outlet for the 2003 Timex Watch Collection. And watch out for this mini run mula sa Coca-Cola Tigers from a high of 13 na ibaba. And from the outside, an open look para kay Nick Velasco. A good take.
It was open that time. He should take the shot.
And in this ball game now for the Coca-Cola Tigers, a player that we have not seen for quite some time, Jack Chia.
Oo, Jack Chia. Nandito na ulit sa roster ng Coca-Cola. At iba rin eh. Maganda rin ang linaro nito, lalo na nung unang mga bago yung preseason games. Maganda yung linalaro nito si Jack Chia.
Well, Jack Chia, of course, filling in an absence that was left by, Freddy Abuda for one.
Freddy Abuda
will be out for quite some time because of a serious, kung hindi nagkakamali, ACL
injury.
And on the other end, Hontiveros, will it start? Baka eto na.
Umpisa na. Yung shooting ng San Miguel from the outside, yun ang kinakatakutan nila. If they cover naman the outside, going to be a big problem because Daniel Ildefonso's inside to take the post. So, hindi natin alam anong plano ni Coach Shot Reyes dito.
Long two mula kay Hatfield. The battle for the loose ball. Wainwright laban kay Hontiveros. Sino matatawagan ng foul? The 3-minute and 25 mark. There's the fake. Ildefonso. Hontiveros this time falling short. Or rather, Olsen Rosella this time falling short. Corner, back to the low post with Rafi Rivas. Rivas to Wainwright. Still a no-go. And now with Olsen Rosella directing the play, it is Velasco. From the top of the key, jumper from Ildefonso, no good. So still a stalemate, but look at this! Pag mabigyan mo lang ng pagkakataon si Rafi Rivas dumakdak, he will take it. That was a No Fear slam brought to you by No Fear Jeans USA. Face your fears, live your dreams. At ang pagdadakdak para sa isang Rafi Rivas, sa haba-haba naman ng galamay. Rafi Rivas.
Oo, at saka dito, hindi rin basta pwede kang tumang sa harap ng mga kalaban niya. Diba? Talagang trinabaho ni Rafi Rivas yung last dunk na yun.
And Wainwright picking up second straight, only a 6-point lead para sa San Miguel Beermen. Ang Coca-Cola, this has been the closest they've been throughout the second quarter. Actually, naibaba pa nila yung kalamangan na yan to as low as 5.
At umabot ang lamang na San Miguel, I think up to 13 points.
13, oo. And it is Beerman possession. Fresh 24-second shot clock to them. Rosella, sorry, of Hontiveros. Oh, wide open. Daniel Ildefonso.
Good shot by Daniel Ildefonso. Talagang, I think it's 10th point by Daniel Ildefonso.
Well, Coach Vic, sa tinitira ngayon ng San Miguel Beermen, parang wala na yatang player dito na pwede mong pabayaan eh.
Sa labas, actually, totoo yun, no? Lahat sila, meron na silang mga tira sa labas ngayon. They developed that through this years, no? Na nagkakaroon kasi ng threat, umpisa nagkaroon ng zona, dinevelop nila yung tira nila sa labas.
Almost a steal mula kay Rudy Hatfield. And Rudy Hatfield, isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit dapat nag-iingat ka sa mga pasa mo. Don't forget, Rudy Hatfield was the #1 thief in the league, lalong-lalo na nung finals, bringing his average close to... The fall-away jumper from Hontiveros. At balik na naman sa double digits ang lamang ng San Miguel Beermen before we close the second quarter. Flying A. Barrientos testing the waters. Bigay kay Chia. Chia spots it.
Ganda ng shooting hand din ni Jack Chia. I remember the crucial shot of Jack Chia. Yung nagpanalo sa kanila.
Less than a minute to go now. A steal. Tapped away mula kay Barrientos, but it is back to the Beermen and Hontiveros. Offline with that long bomb. Coca-Cola looking to score more, and the getaway from Johnny A. And now the Beermen susubukan nilang ubusin ng oras, and this is what I'm talking about. Rudy Hatfield magaling magbasa ng pasa, and look at this on transition for two, and one opportunity for Rudy Hatfield. Foul, balikan natin. Here's what happened. Barrientos actually receiving the ball off a Rudy Hatfield steal. And with a conversion here, makakalapit na talaga ang Coca-Cola, but
again
the jinx. Again the jinx. So 19 seconds left on game clock, 13 seconds sa shot clock naman ng San Miguel. Almost a steal. And Rosella. Enough time for one last attempt, and Hatfield makes it off the glass. So kahit papano.